Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today's video is demonstrating how to make this Keto Teriyaki steak entree. The macronutrient ratio for this recipe is 2.7 to 1 with 3.5 grams of total carbs, 0.1 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 3.4 grams of net carbs. This Japanese main dish is very easy to make and only takes about 10 to 15 minutes. The timing will depend on how well done you like your steak. The ingredients you will need are fresh garlic, which is diced into very thin slices, grapeseed oil, and butter. Half and half of my Keto Teriyaki sauce and glaze combined together, and your steaks, which you apply pepper on both sides. And you also salt both sides of the steak. And after you've done that, set the steaks aside for a moment. Now set your stovetop element to medium-low. Add the oil and butter to a frying pan or wok. Stir to combine and add the thinly sliced garlic. Fry the garlic until it's golden and crispy. Doing this will infuse the garlic flavor into the oil-garlic combination. When your garlic is done, scoop it out and put it into a dish and set it aside for a moment. Then increase your heat to medium-high. Place the steaks into the pan and brown until a crispy layer has formed on the underside of the steak. Using your tongs, flip to the other side and brown and crisp that side as well. This should only take about 2 to 5 minutes per side. Then reduce your element heat to medium. At this point, I like to lift the steaks so that the butter and oil can get underneath. Next, take your teriyaki sauce and glaze mix and pour half of the content over the steaks in the pan. Then flip the steaks and pour the other half of your teriyaki sauce glaze on top. Keep frying the steaks until you have them done to the degree that you like, whether it's medium rare or medium. Then take the steaks out of the frying pan or wok and set them aside. As always, let them rest for a minimum of 10 minutes so that the juices can reabsorb into the meat. Also at this point, pour the remaining teriyaki sauce that is still in the pan into a little dish and set that aside. After the meat has rested, the final step in preparing the steaks is to cut each of the steaks into 1.5 or a little over half an inch wide strips. Here you can see that I have prepared the steaks to a medium rare for my family. After cutting the steaks, I arranged them on a plate. Then I sprinkled the crispy garlic slices on top. And using the leftover sauce that I had set aside, I spoon it over the meat. This makes a really nice presentation. Here's a second presentation I prepared using this amazing Japanese entree. Or you can serve individual servings onto a plate along with the ginger and garlic bok choy as I did here. And if you still have a little room, this amazing dinner can be made even better with a slice of my matcha white chocolate mousse cake. I hope you try this recipe very soon. Enjoy. I'd really like to hear from you, so please let me know what other recipes you're craving, which I can post for you on this channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. The link for this printable recipe and the matcha cake video are available in the description below.